Hey there, data wranglers! Let's talk about something that seems small but makes a huge difference when working with datasets. Cleaning and standardizing your column names. Messy column names can lead to broken code, hard-to-read tables, and endless frustration when merging or filtering data. Imagine trying to write clean code when your columns are named like customer name with an extra space or order la with weird characters. It gets messy fast. So how do we fix that? Let's walk through some quick steps to clean and standardize column names, making your data easier to work with, share, and scale. Step 1. Know the problems. Most raw datasets include spaces in column names, inconsistent casing, like name versus name, special characters, %, duplicates or unclear labels like unnamed, 0. All of these can cause issues in your code or analysis down the line. Step 2. Clean with Python, pandas. Here's a quick example using pandas. Import pandas as pddf equal pd.read csvc your data.csv. df. Columns, ichi df.columns. Strdar, strip. And remove leading, trailing spaces df.columns, goes df, columns. STR, lower. Convert to lowercase df.columns, df, columns. dr. Replace. Replace spaces with underscores df.columns. df, columns. R. Replace. AZ0, 9. Rejects, true. Mems, remove special characters. Now your column names go from customer name, order, clean, consistent, and code-friendly. Step 3. Rename columns manually, optional. Sometimes, you'll still want to rename columns for clarity. df, rename columns / cust ID, customer EID, in place. True. This makes your data easier to understand, especially if someone else is reading it. Quick best practices. Keep column names lowercase. Use underscores instead of spaces. Be descriptive but concise. Avoid symbols unless necessary. Always check for duplicates and unnamed columns. These small tweaks add up to cleaner code, fewer bugs, and better collaboration. If this helped tidy up your data life, go ahead and comment your go-to cleaning step, and share this with anyone wrangling messy spreadsheets or CSVs. Let's make clean data the norm, not the exception. Explore Transform Academy's hands-on courses dedicated to data wrangling and cleaning, packed with practical exercises using messy, real data sets. The link is in the description. Go check it out and level up your skills today.